politics of fear. Back at the beginning of the Iraqi war, President Bush told us that Saddam Hussein had the ability to make weapons of mass destruction, and in fact had weapons of mass destruction. And if we didn't go into Iraq, invade Iraq, and overthrow Saddam Hussein, then he would use those weapons of mass destruction on everybody within reach and even us. And he even went so far as to blame Saddam Hussein for the 9/11 attacks on our people and our country. He accused Saddam Hussein of being Osama bin Laden's ally. Okay? So what happens is that we immediately are fearful of another attack. We believe these intelligence reports, and we believe our president, and we, meaning the American people as well as the Congress and the U.S. Senate, support this effort. U.S. Congressmen and women and senators who would never have voted to invade this country voted to invade this country based on this intelligence report that President Bush was sharing with us about weapons of mass destruction. So by instilling fear in the public and the elected representatives, he got the power to do what he wanted to do. Iraq war is now 3 or 4 years old, with many, many billions of dollars spent and thousands of lives lost, and he wants to invade Iran. He tells us that that same intelligence tells us that Iran has the ability to produce nuclear weapons, that they have enough of the ingredients to make nuclear weapons right now. And we need to do something. We need to invade Iran. Well, that's fine and good, but 2 days ago, day before yesterday, when he said that, I guess he forgot he was going to come out and tell us that really that intelligence report said that they really don't have that capability, and they stopped making those weapons in 2003, 4 years ago. So he's trying to use fear again to get the permission and the authority and the power to go invade another country for some other purpose that we don't even know about. Now, you can surmise that it might have to do with oil. You can surmise that it might have to do with peace negotiations in the Middle East. You can surmise all you want to, but we don't know why he's doing it. But what we do know is that when he told the American people and the elected representatives of the American people that Iran had the ability to make nuclear weapons and that we were all at risk, it was a lie. The intelligence report now is very clear. It didn't say that. And now he has stepped aside from the statements that he made about Iran's ability to create and make and use nuclear weapons. More importantly, yesterday he tells us he still believes Iran is dangerous and a threat, even after the day before he told us Iran cannot make nuclear weapons and hasn't been trying to do it since 2003. He is still trying to instill fear in anybody who will listen, so he gets the power and the authority to do what he wants to do. That is what's called the politics of fear, using fear to gain the power to do what you want to do in the political spectrum.